What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another Silver Series set. Today we're going to take a look at the new Audi set. To be honest, new is a big word. I mean, I'm a little bit late to the party because it took me some time to find number 5 of 5. In these Silver Series sets, the last one normally is kind of a chase car, whatever you call that. It's not really a chase car, but it's definitely more rare than the other ones. These arrive in boxes where you normally get, I don't know, 4 or 5 of every car and only 2 of this one. This one comes with a metal body and a metal base. So yeah, normally people are interested in this one, and it's it's more rare and it's quite hard to get because many people want it. And yeah, with that said, let's take a quick look at the card art. I mean, this card art is pretty cool, to be honest. In case you haven't noticed, you see every car like from a back angle, and this is number 1 of 5, the Audi 90 Quattro. This is quite a new casting. To be honest, it's more like the Audi Quattro IMSA GTO. So this is definitely a race car, and yeah, it's a pretty nice casting. And I think it's the first time we see it in premium, or it's called semi-premium or whatever. So there we have it. Really nice. I really like the wheels, and we are really lucky that we don't get any gray plastic wheels. I mean, white wheels, I would say, would have looked very, very good on this one, but definitely these are a good choice. So here's the thing. Let's put this one to the side and let's take a look at the mainline versions we have seen. So this is a really cool casting. I was really excited for when this came out, and we have seen several versions with kind of a white base color and red base color. We have seen it in this is the most recent one, in silver, in blue, and also in black. Now the thing with this casting is, I mean, it's a really cool mainline casting. You see, you get a lot of deco, except so we have deco on the front, on the hood, and on the side, nothing on the back. But for a mainline, this is pretty good. Unfortunately, I don't know, on nearly, I mean, the silver one is okay, but on the other ones, it always looks a little bit beat up. Can't tell you why. So if you take a close look right here, or on the front, so the deco is a little bit, I don't know if you can see it. It looks a little bit destroyed. You see some white shimmering through, and it's not just this one. It was like that on every model for some reason. I don't know. But now we take a look at our Silver Series model, and yeah, this one is really perfect. I like how the huge Audi rings are on this. Looks fantastic. Get deco on the hood. Nice Audi rings on the front. I mentioned that the wheels do look very great, and we also get deco on the back, including the Audi ring. So yeah, pretty nice addition to the collection. So this is a casting I do collect. Let's put it right this. There we go. Let's put that stuff, oops, to the side. And yeah, here is our Audi 90 Quattro IMSA GTO. Next one is this guy here. I won't open every of these models because I don't collect them. I think the color is pretty cool, and I wanted to have the whole Audi set. This is the Audi R8 LMS. This is an older casting from, I think, 2018. Basically, I really like the R8 LMS, and the deco on this thing is really cool. And if you take a look at the car lot, it does look really cool with the wheels, but if you take a look at the model itself, you will notice that the wheels are way too big. I mean, this thing looks completely off, in my opinion. That's a little bit unfortunate. I mean, if the wheels were appropriate, then yeah, this would have been a really nice casting. But yeah, that looks a little bit weird. It's a little bit last year, you know, we have seen the BMW set, and we had the M1, which also comes with this huge wheel in the back, and yeah, it looks weird. I also do not collect this casting, the RS5 Coupe. It's also from 2018. Yeah. Great time for Audi RS5 Coupe in orange with the black rims. Looks really cool in my opinion. Also has a number plate, RS. Yeah, pretty nice version, but once again, I do not collect this casting. Okay, one last try. There we go. Then we have this one. This is a casting I do collect, but for some reason I did not buy two of these. So it will stay in its packaging until I find a second one. Audi RS e-tron GT, a really good looking car. It's a casting that I collect. I will show you the other mainline versions that I have so far. So this one's pretty cool. A really nice car. I don't know if it looks really good with racing deco. This is just a beautiful car. And let's put it back here. I think the wheels are a great choice, by the way. So let's take a look at the other ones. So here are the mainline versions in this, like olive green. You've seen it in this, somewhere I would say between gray and blue, maybe. You have a version in metallic silver. You've seen it in red. And in white. So yeah, pretty nice. I'm not really sure why I didn't buy two of the Silver Series e-trons. Can't tell you why, but I think I have every mainline so far. If there's a store exclusive, of course we don't get it here in Europe. But yeah, those were the mainline versions, and yeah, then we get to the last one, which is the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. I already mentioned it. This one was pretty hard to find. It comes with a metal base, and here in Germany, people always are after Porsche, Mercedes, Audi, and all, by BMW and all that stuff. So yeah, this chase or not chase, it's a little bit more rare. Was pretty hard to find, but I was able to find two of these. So there you have it. It's an older casting. I think it's from also 2018. Many of these seem to be from 2018, by the way. We've seen several versions of this one. I don't know, maybe 10 or something. But this version is really nice. Once again, we get the metal base deco on all around, so to say. I like that they also use, this old Audi typo, really cool. I think the wheel choice is really great. We get white wheels and they're pretty small. It matches the car really good. The old Audi logo here on the hood. I mean, you always see that they print the white over the red, so the red comes a little bit through. It's not extreme, but the white always gets this little pink shade, which is a little bit unfortunate. I mean, it's a premium or semi-premium car. I mean, you pay like 3 times the money for as for a mainline model. So yeah, could ramp this up a little bit. But anyways, it's a nice model, and I'm pretty happy that I found this one. So yeah, I wanted to show you the other versions. Of course, I don't have all of them, but I have the recent versions. So we've seen it in black, and a cool version in blue with white wheels. We've also seen it in yellow, and then we have this version, which is, in my opinion, a little bit closer to the original race car. So yeah, it's the 84 Sport Quattro. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.